Today we're going to be making flowers to celebrate the first day of spring. This project's going to focus on fine motor skills in rolling paper, coloring and cutting, visual motor skills in drawing, tracing, and writing, and object manipulation with your writing utensils, tape, scissors, and glue. So what you're going to need is either markers or crayons, a glue stick, a pencil, some tape, scissors, and either colored paper or white paper. So our first step, if you don't have colored paper or choose to use white paper, is to color an entire sheet of paper green. This is really going to work on fine motor strengthening and endurance because, as you can see, it takes a lot of work and time to color in this whole sheet of paper. The second step is using both hands working together using precise movements to roll up the stem of the flower. Then we're again going to use both hands to tape the flower stem to hold it together. Our third step is to draw a circle on a plain white sheet of paper. We're going to need 2 circles of the same size, so hold that paper up to the window and trace to work on those tracing and fine motor precision skills. Next comes cutting. You're going to want to make sure that your thumb is on top and your helper hand is helping you to turn the paper. Since we're using white paper, we're going to do a bit more coloring to color in the center parts of the flowers, which are your circles. Now we're going to make the flower petals. I'm setting the center of the flower on a new sheet of paper and drawing half circles around. This is going to work on our visual motor skills. Then we're going to take our scissors, thumbs up, and cut along the edges. This is going to probably take a little longer than cutting out the circles, so be patient. Once our flower petals are cut out, we're going to color them in. If you're using colored paper, you can skip this step. This step is going to be optional, but really beneficial for students working on writing legibility and writing mechanics. I'm going to draw lines on the center of one of my flowers. Then I'm going to take my pencil and write a sentence about spring. I'm making sure I'm using a tripod grasp, finger spaces between my words. My letters are sitting nicely on the lines. My tall letters are tall and short letters are short. And that I am taking my time to do my best work. The last step of this project is to put everything together. You're going to use your glue stick to glue the center of your flower to the stem. Then you're going to put the petals on the back, push it down, then right on top of that you're going to put the other center of your flower. And there you go! We made flowers to celebrate the first day of spring. Worked on some OT skills and had fun as well.